Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you skin whitening remedy, whitening the skin tone and get milky fair skin from first use. You will notice a great result. This magical remedy has been tried and tested and it's 100% proven and effective. It works, it gives an instant result and it whitening the skin tone from first use. And my friends, the result will amaze you and you will keep using that remedy because it works and it gives an instant result and it's a permanent as well. You can whitening your skin tone up to 3 shades and you will notice a great result from first use, my friends. It whitening the skin tone. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it and you will get so many beauty tips from me, so make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add around 20 ml of natural milk. Add 20 ml of natural milk. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use the natural aloe vera gel instead. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then, my friends, we need to add a magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. And if you don't have instant coffee, you can use any coffee available for you. Add 1 full teaspoon of instant coffee. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 capsule of vitamin E, and here I'm using 1000 milligrams vitamin E. We need to add 1 capsule of vitamin E. Cut the capsule with a pair of scissors like so, and add all the vitamin E. Now, my friends, mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together, our magical remedy is ready. This is how to apply it. Dip in a cotton ball into the remedy and on your skin apply generous amount like so. Massage the skin with it for 5 minutes. And leave it for 15 minutes to dry out completely, and then rinse it with lukewarm water. And my friends, the result will amaze you. It whitening the skin tone from first use. You will notice a great result, my friends. Store the remedy and keep using it every night before you sleep to achieve the best result ever.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.